Hey everyone, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today is Dollar Tree Tuesday, and I'm going to put a little spin on my Dollar Trees when I do upload videos. It is going to be my favorite things for the month. It's not going to be weekly or bi-weekly. It's only going to be when I can, when I come across or stumble across some new items that I have not seen before in the Dollar Tree, or I may not just remember. I just got back from Dollar Tree and I spent about $26.75, and I'm like, that's my budget for the week. You always got to have a budget when you go into the Dollar Tree. So if this is something that you're interested in, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and make sure to leave me a lovely comment and let me know if you're new to my channel. So let's get into it, and let me show you what I picked up today that I think are some necessities as a crafter you will need in the future, or should have in your stash in your craft room. So I went and I got a metal mesh strainer, and that's for sifting crushed glass, beads, to get all that debris and stuff out. And that's what I plan on using this for when I do my crushed glass tutorial. So I picked this up. And then we all know what these is. When you're frying chicken or anything that splatters, you put that on top of the pan. So these are always good to have in your kitchen and also in your craft room. Next, I have been buying these for over 30 years. They may have changed some. I noticed now they don't have the powder scent. Back in the day in the 80s, my son I used to use these for my son in his diaper bag, in the car and everything. And they had a lovely powder scent. They no longer, I have not found no more with the fragrance. But these bags are very versatile. You can use these practically for anything. Emergency in the car with a child, when you're changing their diapers, when you go into the store and you have an emergency, you can use this as far as your disposable item. Something made of, broken your purse, you can throw it in here if you're saving it. Many items. I use these in my bathroom because I do not want my sewer system stocked up, and I use personal wipes, probably TMI, but instead of disposing those flushable wipes down the toilet, I just put them in this bag, seal it up, and then put it in the larger container. And that way we're not going to be caught with any type of clogzation, running through our sewer system. So I just went out, and they do come in a 60 in a pack. So if you never used these are really good, like I said, to reiterate, for your baby's dirty diaper, especially when you're out in public. Nobody wants to smell that poopy pamper. Or if you're on the side of the road, these are still good. So I got 4 packs, and this should last me for a while. Next, now this is new unless I have not seen it in the Dollar Tree, and I really wasn't looking for it. I just was walking down the car, the paint car section, and they have a 4-piece tweezer set. Look at that. This is exceptional. You need this in your toolkit when you're doing arts and crafts, especially with the little tiny rhinestones and everything. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use this today. So I got that. Always keep a backup of paint brushes. paintbrushes can run you an arm and a leg at those big box stores. And if you're just doing small, medium, or large projects, you can just dispose of these. They're only $1.33 a paintbrush, unheard of. So I suggest trying to, you know, get a couple for your stash. Next, scissors for me end up like this. So I always try to keep 2 brand new pairs of scissors in my craft toolbox. So if I'm cutting material, and I always say this, you're only supposed to, if you're a sewer, you're only supposed to use your good scissors for your fabric. Well, I'm not paying $25 to $30 for a good pair of scissors when I do my sewing. So these are just as good for me, and they're very sharp. You know, they do go dull after a while, but I got 2 pairs of some lovely scissors today. Next, we are going to move into the craft section. I could not believe these. Look how adorable. And I picked up 2 of these. They have the owl on it. Now, they had them in like the lime green, and they had a sunflower on the front of that one. And then there was another color which had a scarecrow. So I'm going to be doing a DIY with these. So make sure, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe channel so you'll see what I'll be doing with these. But they didn't have too many at my store. And this goes perfectly with my shutters and my front door. So I was so happy to find these. Next, I went back out and I got another garland. You know, your regular garland. And that one's like in the burnt and the red. And then this one's like in the golden yellows and greens. So I got 2 of these. And today, when I really had time, look at the new picks that they have at the Dollar Tree. Very nice for $1. I don't even think you can get this for $1 at the big name craft stores. If I'm wrong, my apology, but I think this would probably run you about maybe $3.97 or $4 and some change, you know, at those stores. So I just got 2 pieces, and these are the fall picks. So hopefully you'll be able to find these. And I also went and got 2 more of these pumpkins. I don't remember these last year being so decorative and so bright and vibrant. So I got 2 more of these. And what I'm excited about is they have the pumpkins. So if you are looking for the Dollar Tree pumpkins, some stores may have out already. I just found them today, August 24th. I'm doing this video day right after my birthday, and I went and got up and I got 6 of the pumpkins. And I was just, I was like, oh my God, they got the pumpkins. Let me hurry up and go get a push cart. So I was happy to get the pumpkins. And you're going to be seeing the DIY, of course, coming up shortly on my fall decor video. So hopefully some of the items that I found, you may already have these things in your stock. For those that are just starting a craft room, to reiterate, you know, the paintbrushes, the scissors, of course. These tweezers are phenomenal to have. And then you can also use these diaper bags in your craft room for little mini garbage bags as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And as I always say, Child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I will see y'all in another Dollar Tree Tuesday. Bye-bye.